Hi everyone. We have received an important update for computer-based test for statutory examination under coal mines regulation and metal mines regulation to be conducted by DGMS. In this video, we are going to see about that. If you are watching this video for the first time, myself Yatra, and kindly subscribe to our channel so that you will get notified whenever we post videos related to mining. The entire mining fraternity is waiting for when the statutory examination will be conducted by DGMS. Up to the year 2015, the statutory examinations were conducted in written mode. In the year 2016, DGMS has changed the written mode from computer-based online examination. After that, the examinations were not conducted. It has been came to know that the DGMS is facing lot of practical and technical difficulties in conducting the statutory examination through online mode. On June 2019, DGMS released a notice in their official website inviting expression of interest for conducting computer-based test for statutory examination to be conducted by DGMS. After several procedures and official formalities, DGMS on 13th October 2020 has informed that Meritrack Services Private Limited has been selected for conducting the computer-based test for statutory examination on behalf of DGMS. For further clarification, we visited the Meritrack official website. In that website, we have found that this company is engaged in application processing, online test booking, and test center management. Further, this company has partnered with many educational institutions, public sector units, and corporate entities for conducting the computer-based examinations. From the official document, we can see that DGMS will be paying Meritrack Services Private Limited Rs 150 for a test per person. The service contract made between DGMS and Meritrack Services Private Limited can be seen in the screen. As a token of acknowledgement, the document is signed by our Director of Mine Safety and the authoritative representative from Meritrack Services Private Limited. The good news for mining fraternity is that DGMS has now selected an organization for conducting the examination. We may expect the examination notification at any time. Hope you like this video. Subscribe to our channel for more videos related to mining.